Hey guys, Kim here. Today I want to try and see if I can quieten down my diesel heater. As you know, diesel heaters come with a bit of a muffler there. It's pretty basic. It's actually just a straight through pipe. And then your standard diesel pump. I've got it hanging down at the moment, just so I can work on it. But normally I have it sitting in a box like this, and I have a rubber on the back side and on the top side, and I don't screw it to the chassis of the frame of the caravan. I screw it to the top of the timber there. So I put it in a box just to conceal, try and make it a little bit quieter. But I have noticed, when I do go to some places and I'm unfortunately having to park next to someone, I'm off grid, it is a little bit loud, especially on the exhaust. So I want to try and see if I can quieten them both down today. So let's give that a go and see how we go. So it's about 48 dB when I got it like pretty much right beside it's 100 mil off. It is just starting up though. I kind of want to get the sound of it before that muffler kicks on. So it's about 48. Right, let's do some modifications here. I want to try and put a new fuel pump in. It's apparently supposed to be the quiet one. Let's put that one in and see what that does. So about 43 before that muffler just kicked on. So I'm pretty sure that's a lot lower than the old one. So I have to check back, but yeah, I'm definitely saying that it's a lot quieter. So we are about, I think around about 76 or so with the old muffler and the new pump. So it'd be really good to test now with if I can put the new muffler on there. And then let's see if we can actually get this a little bit quieter. It's running at its full max at the moment. Alright, we're going to take off this old muffler. You can see there's a drain there as well, a drain hole. So when you put the new one in, make sure that you actually get the drain hole at the bottom, because there isn't one at the top there. Alright, let's swap that out. Okay, new muffler is on and new pump is on. So probably around about that 72. We were up about 78, 79 before with that old muffler. So yeah, that's true. This thing actually is quieter. If you know a lot more about dBs than me, I believe that every dB is like double or something like that. I don't know, the sound is quite a lot. So between 72 and 78 is quite a bit. I must admit, I can't actually hear that muffler. I can only hear the flame. So yeah, it definitely is a lot quieter. So yeah, that was a good purchase. That was only about, I don't know, 12 bucks on eBay. And the fuel pump was about 15 bucks, 20 bucks or something like that. So for whatever, let's just call it $30. That's actually pretty good money for trying to get a little bit quieter around people. And keep in mind that I normally keep that pump actually in a container as well, so it's going to be a lot more quiet as well once I fit that back. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this, but I do have a little bit of an issue here. So that muffler is pretty, like, it's under my van by about 800 mil. And I know you're supposed to keep this exhaust gas out, like to the edge of your caravan. So I might put the extender on. Okay, I've finished the muffler install, replaced it with the old one. It's running right now actually. And I extended my exhaust out there, if you can see, because my muffler was probably back about 1200. So I got this little extension piece off eBay for like 8 bucks or something. I do have to zip tie it up there, but essentially at least it keeps the exhaust gases outside my caravan now, not under my caravan, going through all the little gaps. So it's currently running at the moment, and I've done my fuel pump, put that back in that box. It was a little bit more trickier to put it in with this new fuel pump because it's a little bit longer. So if you are going to do a similar thing to me with the box, just get a little bit bigger box. or play around with it the way I did. So anyway, it's all in. So let's do some recording, see if there's any difference. Yeah, so most of the sound I think is coming from up here, from the actual, you know, sort of where it's flaming out there, where the actual heat source is. But as for the muffler, it's pretty quiet. I honestly can't even hear it. And the fuel pump, I can't even hear any clicks. It's a tiny little click there, so I would say that that is a success. I'm not hearing the fuel pump and I'm not hearing the muffler. As for that, I'm not sure what you could do with that. But definitely that has reduced my sound, and that's what I wanted to do anyway. So it is true, these mufflers do work, and that fuel pump definitely is quieter. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned. I've got some other videos coming up soon, especially to do with power. So I'm looking forward to sharing those ones. Thanks, guys. See ya. Bye.